Alright, so this is going to be a video that's going to go over a really common problem that I don't have on my channel yet, and that's if your garage door isn't closing. So here's what will happen in most cases. And hit it, bounces right back up. So your problem is these guys down here. I don't know how I can see that guy's flickering. We gotta get this guy to point over to that side. So you got this wing nut you can loosen here, and you can just normally you can just bend it. I'm gonna aim that directly over to there. And then this guy's also kind of kicked down. We're gonna aim him. This is the one that sends out the beam. And then you're going to want to kind of get all that gunk and spider webs out of the way on both sides, because that can, in some cases, be what's causing your problem. So this unit is a LiftMaster machine, but this, if your garage door isn't closing, no matter what brand you have, that's what you're going to want to check first thing, is these safety sensors. But now that these are aligned, when I hit the button to close it, now it's going to close. So that's a really simple fix that you can do yourself. I'd like to thank you all for watching this quick video. If it helped, for those of you having problems, hit the like button. If you have any questions about this, if this didn't work, there are some other fixes you can do. You'll want to check these staples here. Those can cause shorts. Actually, I want to check that they're hooked up right as well. Show you that. Oh, here, I can just get them up here. So, oops. Open up this cover here. So, I don't know how well you'll be able to see this. I'm just going to point it up there and talk about it. So, those wires on the black and white terminals, right there, black and gray, sorry, that's where the sensor should be hooked up. So the one with the stripe should be on the gray terminal, the one without any stripe should be on the white. If they're not hooked up right, then you gotta fix that. But that's just other possible fixes. If neither of those work, if neither of those conditions exist and aligning them doesn't work, it is possible you will need to get new sensors. I have a video on my channel already on how to replace your sensors. That's for Genie. I don't know when I'll get to Chamberlain or LiftMaster sensors. I'll just have to wait for that. But for now, there you go, guys. So if this video helped, hit the like button. Any questions, feel free to leave one. Check back, subscribe to the channel. Bye.